Guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey, and today's topic is iterative statements. So we are going to see the quiz on iterative statements. So I would like to thank you all. You have shown a great interest in learning this MCQs, this quizzes, solving the quizzes. I do really appreciate your efforts, and really I see like you are very much interested in solving these quizzes. So first quiz, second quiz, third quiz, and this is the fourth quiz I'm making for you all, guys. Yes, so take this also with the same seriousness and try to solve. So now in this, I do again once again I welcome you all to my channel Vivek Pandey, and my playlist is Quizland. So now let's see what I made for you. So yes, these questions are the combination of below concepts such as data types, operators, conditional statements, iterative statements, break and continue, pass. So guys, if you don't know about this, then you can just go with the first quiz, and if you don't know even that first quiz how to solve, then definitely you can visit my channel. In that I have made complete videos on Python, learning Python, so that will be helpful for you. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's start the quiz. So first question on your screen, and just I'm starting this timer. 1 second. So your time starts now. So guys, see here. Here I have taken 10. I is equal to while is true, means always it is true, and then I have given one, two, three, four expressions, and then I'm changing the I value here, and it is keep on updating. Then you have to find out. Then it is a break. You know what is the purpose of the break? It will come out of the loop. It will terminate the iteration. Okay, so I guess 1 minute time is it's going to be done. And once you got the value of I, then you have to add, and then you have to convert it into float, int, complex. I guess I told you about this. You know how to do this. So your time is up. Three, two, one. Stop. Yes. So 1 minute is done. Now let's go with the second question. So guys, one more thing here you have to do by your own. Yes. So many of them are complaining like we are not getting a placements. How you will get a placement? Just try to solve. If you are able to solve these questions and more number of problem, if you start solving, then definitely company you will get companies. You'll get placements for sure. Now second question on your screen, and the timer I'm starting. So in this, it is actually I is equal to 0 while I is less than 4, and then I'm incrementing, and then I have given one condition, then I'm using here pass. So I guess you know about it. So try to solve this. For this I'm giving you just 45 seconds. So done. Fine guys, this is done. So let's go with the next one. It is simple, I know you can do this. So let's go with the next question, third question. And third question on your screen, it is here. Now here also what I have done is I just replace the continue with the replace the pass with the continue here. So try to check whether you can able to solve it or not. So this will be also given only 45 seconds. Yeah, now time is up. Fine. So I guess you have tried it. Okay, let's go with the fourth one. From here the level will be increasing. Yeah. So fourth question on your screen, and then I'm starting this timer, and it will also take a 30 seconds. Yes. So here it is a true. It is always true while is, and then I'm giving a condition, if condition here. I percentile 2 equal to 0, and then I'm giving what, if this condition is true then break, if this condition is not true then it is printing I, and then it is incrementing the I value by 2. So if you have a knowledge of how to use while, if, break, then you can solve this easily. You can try. Starting you may feel somewhat difficult, but keep on solving, it will be clear. Your concepts will be clear. So that's it guys, time is up here. Now let's go with the fifth question. And the fifth question on your screen, it is here. So your time starts now. So here x is equal to, I have given a b c d e f, and then I is equal to a, and then I have tried to use this while and in same as for loop. In the for loop also we do use this in, right? And this is nothing but it is just a cursor actually. Yes, so don't take it anything in a wrong manner. It is no number, nothing here, it is just a cursor. And x is equal to x, and subscript operator, it is slicing operator because it is colon we have, right? Yes, so one colon. Now I guess you can do this. So your time is up. Now let's go with the next question. Next question on your screen, and your time starts now. Here the level is increasing now a bit because it is a sixth question, and as per we have seen very from a less level to the, like we are increasing the level question by question. So here what I have given is, I have one loop, and we have nested loop, and then you try with a condition I given, if, elif, and one more elif. All the three conditions I am passing inside the inner loop. Okay, and everything is inside the for loop. So it is this concept, if you wanted to know, like you should be knowing loops, how loops are working, how nested loops are working, how conditions are working in a loop, and how pass, continue, operators, then definitely you can able to do this. So it is, you can try it. Yes, so your time is done. Okay, so that's it for this sixth question. I guess you are trying very good, keep going. Now let's go with the seventh one, and the seventh one on your screen, and the time starts now. I guess it is clearly visible to all of you. If it is not, then you can choose the option of quality, and then here result is 0, and then in the range I have passed one parameter. In the range we can pass three parameters here, and then here we have conditions. Everything is same as it is, but what has been changed is I have included bitwise operators here. So to make it little more complex, or to check whether you can able to do this kind of problems or not, so you should not afraid of this problem. So what is the meaning of this? Result is equal to result plus, that's it, I floor division 2 plus j mod 2. So it is like a bigger expressions, but you know how to solve it. When you know, you can try it and definitely you will solve it. So that's it for seventh one. Keep doing, and here the time is up. Now it's a time for us to go to the next question, and the next question, as I'm increasing the level guys, this is only for you, for your practice. You know many concepts, it is fine, but until and unless if you don't implement those concepts in solving any problem, then what is the use of that theoretical knowledge? Yes, so now let's go with the eighth question, and the eighth question on your screen, it is here, and the time starts now. So guys, don't afraid of this question. I have included many things here. Just see here, one for loop, we have to find the result. One for loop, and inside the for again if, inside the if again for, inside the for again if, then again break. So I just wanted to make it little more harder, tougher, to give you more challenging question. So I spent my time for 30 to 1 hour of a time, you can say that, like recording all those things, stuff, uploading, like 1 hour of a time. And if you can able to solve this, it means that you are very good with the flow of understanding how to solve this for loop, if condition, then again mod operator. So it is a combination of everything. Yes, so I just wanted to create, I just wanted you to have that fire of solving things. So Just imagine now you are in the very beginning. It's done. Okay, so we are done with this eighth here timer. Now you can just pause and you can solve it. It's fine. Now let's go with the next question, and the level will be increasing for sure. So let's go with the next one. Next question on your screen. And here what I'm doing is same thing here, and it is a 35 lines code, so it is little more bigger than that. There I have used what I am using there for loop, but here I am using while loop. So you have to be bit cautious, because in the while loop we have to additionally give what update the value here j. So you can take it a while. In this while again we have if. So first is while, outer is while, after that again if, then elif, then else. So inside that again we have loop. If you can able to solve this, it means that your concepts are very clear. Your iterative statements concepts, or whatever I'm teaching from starting to now, everything I included in this. So it means that your concepts are clear. Now you can go for a higher advanced solving. So that's it guys, your time is up. I'm just stopping this timer. You can pause the video if you want time. You can take a time. Guys, don't be in a hurry burry that he have done first, he have done all 10, I have not done, so I have to do second one, third one. No. Be relaxed. Go with a step by step. Do first one. Even if it is taking a 1 day of a time, 2 day of a time, fine. But go by your own way. If another person is jumping, or he may have some what we can say, some privileges maybe, or he may have practiced, he may have knowledge earlier, you may not having the same. All others mentalities are not same, right? So what I'm saying is, even if you are, he can solve 10 questions, he can solve 100 questions, but don't compare to him or to her. Let them solve. Now you have to start your own thing, own solving the questions. So first start with the first one, then second one, third one, like this. If you got stuck anywhere, try to think why you are not getting. You can discuss with your friends, you can discuss with me if I'm in a class. Yes, but try to solve by yourself. If you are solving na, that will be giving you a kind of what we can say, satisfaction level. That is a different level of satisfaction. So that's it. Let's go with the next one, and the time I'm starting. So next question on your screen. This question is the biggest question out of all 10, and if you can able to solve this, it means you have mastered all these operators, while condition, everything. Yeah, first you try to solve by your own. Here how many loops I have used, just check once. Let's have a check here. One, you have to just find the result. One while one, outer while, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, totally it is 8 while loops I am using here. Imagine, while loop and conditions are how many? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. My god, total 9 to 10, 10 conditions here, and 8 while loops. So if you can solve it, definitely it is going to help you out. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you some more time for this question. So here what you have to do is, you have to check it very cautious. Yeah, you have to be very cautious here, because one single mistake will lead you to the wrong answer, everything will be gone. So you have to find out what is the I value, what is the j value, and then what is the result in each and every loop. Then that is going to be in the next loop. Yes, so finally we have to figure it out, what is the result. Yes, so I guess you can try. Yeah, even if it's not in a one go, it's fine. Take a 1 day of a time or 2 days of a time, but you solve it. Yes, so I guess you will do this. So that's it, and then I'm stopping it. So guys, let's go with the next slide what I have. Yeah, so dear students, on your request I'm displaying the solution. We will soon make a videos. Yeah, yes, correct. So this is what I have seen. Many students are asking me, sir, please make a videos for a solution of this. So I thought of making a solution, combining all these 4 to 5 quizzes now in one video. I will make this very soon. So definitely will make, but I'm here, I'm making one change, small change, I'm displaying the solution itself. Because in the class I have seen people are like, what is the solution, what is the solution. Actually my intention was you have to find out the solution, but here I'm displaying the solution for your reference. You don't take it as an advantage that you don't need to solve, you have to solve it. So we are done with this timer, it's done. Now you should not take advantage of this solution. Now let's go with the solution here. Here is the solution, guys. First solution 260 plus 0j, and then second one is this vgit2 vgit2, and third one is vgit4. It is third one is 2 4, fourth one is infinite, and then fifth one is a, sixth one 2, seventh one 13, and eighth one 9, ninth one 2 4, and 10th one 44. So if you have solved this, you are good. Yes. Now let's go with the next one, next slide what I have for you. Yes. So students, this effort is for you. If you find it really helpful, then please do subscribe and like. Yeah, definitely, because this video, it may be just a one like for you. Yeah, obviously. So if this I'm making a 1 hour or a 2 hours for your understanding, for your improvement of your levels, then definitely in return, if you wanted to give a thank, you can thank me in the terms of subscribe and like. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. So we will be meeting again in the next video with the quiz 5. So 4 quizzes are done, so enjoy these quizzes. Thank you.